If your garden tools are in a jumbled mess somewhere in your garage, impossible to find, we've been there and we get it. I know it's really messy and annoying, and honestly, it's not the safest setup. I mean, who has ever been scared to stick a hand in a garden glove and get a spider bite? I know I have. So today we are partnering with Simpson Strong Tie to fix this the right way. We are going to create a sturdy garden tool storage area directly on our brick block exterior where the garden is, using the Titen Turbo screw anchors. So if you have ever wondered how to securely attach something to masonry without it loosening over time, today's video is definitely going to help you out. Everything we are using in the video is going to be linked in our video description if you are interested in doing this project yourself.
Before we jump into today's project, I just want to say thank you to Simpson Strong Tie for sponsoring this video. So what we're going to be doing is installing this metal shelf onto the side of our brick exterior. And to tighten it down and attach it, we are using the Simpson Strong Tie Titen Turbo screw anchors for concrete and masonry. And we're going to be showing you exactly how to use these, how to attach it, and how using a screw like this on concrete can make a project like this really fast and reliable.
Okay, so right now it's a bit of a mess. Our handhold tools are usually in some random pile on Logan's messy workbench, inevitably getting covered in sawdust. Or they can be found outside getting wet and dirty. And our gloves get tossed on top of everything, which means bugs and spiders move in, or I can only find one glove at a time, which is totally not helpful. So we wanted something really simple, and I found this metal shelf with hooks, but since we're attaching it on brick block, you can't use regular screws. So we needed something that was designed for masonry that will actually hold them up long term. All right, a few things I love about these screws already. First of all, they are stainless steel, which is perfect for exterior uses like we are using today. They also have a serrated screw point, and that makes it easier to start, especially if you're going to be fastening through wood into masonry or just into concrete block like we were. Then there's this little channel in between the screw threads that is the perfect spot for the concrete dust to go. So all of that together, it just really makes this process simpler and more efficient. So first we are marking the hole locations for the shelf with just a Sharpie. Now we wanted it low enough so that the kids could reach it because they like to help me out in the garden. So we're opting for a little lower than I would normally hang a shelf. Next, we are drilling into the brick block using a hammer drill. And you want to drill a nice pilot hole for that, drill it nice and straight exactly where you had marked the holes for the shelf. And then we always clear the dust out from the hole before driving in the screw anchors. So we'll do that here before we get the screw anchors out. Okay. So now it's time to get those Titen Turbo screw anchors out, and we are using our impact driver with a bit. And you can see right away how smoothly it drives in. So it's that torque reduction channel that really helps it reduce the resistance from the dust in the hole. And you can see there we are using a level as we go. And that level has magnets on it, so it does stick to the metal shelf. And as we snug it down, you can see that the shelf pulls tight to the wall, and that is exactly what we want. We want solid contact and no movement for this storage shelf. And now that it is securely on the wall, it's time to get it organized, my favorite part. So we can start getting our tools out and hanging those up. So I got a brand new set of small garden hand tools, and you can see there they had wood handles, but I gave them a little something extra with some rub-on transfers. Those are little butterflies, and it just makes it feel a little extra special. And of course, the kids love it. And then I've got this mini metal toolbox that I put some more of those transfers on, and those are a bunch of wildflowers, and I think that just looks so fun. And we still have room for some shears and clips, and everything's right there, nice and handy. We're putting the gloves in that airtight metal box so that the spiders don't make themselves at home in my gloves in between uses, and it keeps all the rest of our supplies there nice and handy. and everything's in one spot. And I love that the gloves will go back right there and I'll always be able to find them and they won't be on Logan's messy workbench any longer. So you can see that shelf feels super rock solid. And remember, when you're mounting something on masonry, that fastener that you're using is everything. And this one gives us a lot of confidence that this little shelf is going to hold up long term. Here's a little before and after. You can see it's made a huge improvement in our garden area. Now, this is just a really simple upgrade. I know it's a small little project, but it's going to make a huge difference as we get our garden ready for spring, which is what we're working on right now. We've got a long way to go, but I am starting to get things set up for spring, and it makes me so excited to get the garden going again. Now everything's right there on that shelf for me. I can just go grab my gloves, grab the clippers, and start getting things ready. You can see we have 4x4 garden boxes in our backyard, and these work great. It's a small little garden just for us, and we use square foot gardening. So every little grid, there's a different plant growing come spring and summer. So starting to get this place ready, and I can't wait to get the garden going. But you can see that little storage area is going to definitely come in handy for us and keep my gloves nice and clean and good to go.
So if you're planning to mount either shelving or hooks on concrete or brick like we were, be sure that you're using a fastener that's specifically designed for masonry. We are going to link the Simpson Strong-Tie Titen Turbo concrete screw anchors in the description below, but we're also going to put a QR code right here, and you can scan that to learn more about the full Titen Turbo line. Definitely check them out before starting your next project. And in the comments below, let us know if you have ever been scared to stick your hand into a garden glove for fear of spiders. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next project, and then you can check out this video next. Have a great day.